Can the dollar yen push higher to retest its 152 multi-year highs? I'll have the answer in today's video. We'll talk key levels and targets, plus the latest on the DXY. And if you've been waiting to join our VIP group, I have an incredible offer for you this month that you're not going to want to miss. So click on the link at the top of this video, and you're going to be taken to my recommended broker, Blueberry Markets. Right now, we're running a promotion, guys, through March 12th. And the really cool part about this is this section right here. So you're going to get lifetime access to our VIP group if you deposit $200 or more with Blueberry Markets using my link. So that means you're going to get lifetime access to real-time market discussions in Discord. You're going to get exclusive charts and setups, daily videos. You'll be able to see my trades in real time. Plus, you're going to get lifetime access to the upcoming course. All for depositing just $200 or more with my broker. And also, you'll be entered to win a DJI Mini 4 Pro drone if you trade at least one lot before March 12th. All right, so again, this is a limited time offer, guys. So be sure to see the link in the description of this video, or if you're on the website, click on the broker link here at the top of the page, and you'll be taken directly to the Blueberry Markets page to sign up. So that's all you have to do, guys, for lifetime access to the VIP group. You don't have to pay me a dime. All you have to do is come over here, open up an account, fund it with $200 or more, place a single trade by March 12th, and you will have lifetime access to the VIP group, plus a chance to win that drone. All right, so looking here at the dollar yen daily time frame, really we have to go out here, zoom all the way out to get an appreciation for where this pair is on the chart, because we've talked about this recently, where going back here to 2022, you can see that we have a trend line off of these lows, and this is where the dollar yen bounced here at the end of 2023, and so far we've seen an incredible rally all the way up here to above 149, to the point where the market is very close, once again, to that multi-year high at 152. So what I said recently, if you saw the video from a couple weeks ago, was that once the market gets up here into this area, the odds of another retest up here 152 increase just because a level this significant tends to serve as a magnet. It's the same thinking when you get a market, coming into areas like this, that it's likely to retest this trend line just because it is so significant. Okay, so we have the dollar yen holding above this area through here. So right around 149.70, 149.7. You can see these highs from right back here. This is the level we've talked about recently. You can see we did get the break above on the 13th. And so far that level is serving as support. Now you can see that since that time, the market has put in some consolidation here. So if we go to the 4-hour time frame, this is kind of what I'm watching here over the next 24 to 48 hours. Is can the dollar yen climb above this trend line right here off of this high? So notice we have several highs here recently. Did this one close above? I think it's a little bit too close to call. I would like to see something more convincing above this level, up here in this area, to really convince me that the market has broken out. Now, one opposing opinion to this is that this could be a descending triangle right at the highs, where we could get the market pushing back here into this level, and that could force a break lower. So keep that in mind going forward, that there are no guarantees that this does break higher. And again, we do need to see this market closing up here in this area, giving us that sustained break well above this mark to really confirm that the market is likely to test 152. So ideally, what you want to see here out of this consolidation is a close above this level, and also for the dollar yen to take out this high back here. So again, something up here to really convince us that the market has broken out and is likely to head higher toward 152. The alternative to that is, again, that we see a retest down here at 149.7, and this ends up breaking lower and not higher. Okay, so still some uncertainty here for the dollar yen, and the same can be said for the DXY, the US dollar index, which we've talked about a lot recently, because you can see where this back here is technically a fake out above 104.45. Okay, so technically this right here is bearish for the DXY. The question though is it just bearish toward levels like this down here that we've already seen, or is this going to materialize into something more significant? And right now, as of right now, I really have to lean on the side of a bullish dollar, simply because the market is still carving higher highs and higher lows, as it has from late 2023. Okay, so as long as this is the case, I have to stay bullish on the dollar, because if we were to see something down here, especially below 103, these lows from back here, then I think that would absolutely cause us to lose this bullish momentum and start to head lower. However, until that time, we do have a bullish DXY. So as long as the DXY is above this area between 103.5 and 103.8, As long as it's holding above this, I am going to stay bullish on the dollar. So for pairs like the dollar yen, it does bode well for a break higher. But again, we do need that confirmation above this recent trend line and also ideally above this recent high from back here. All right, so ideally we see the market, get above this area up here to confirm the breakout and to target this high up here and potentially 152. Alternatively, a sustained break below 149.7 would open up areas like 148.35. All right, that's it for today's video. I hope it helped. Be sure to claim your 70% off VIP access. See the link in the description of this video. You can also join Blueberry Markets using my link and deposit $200 or more before March 12th to get VIP access. Trade well out there, and I will talk to you again tomorrow.